नमस्कार तुमकां सगळ्यांक पत्रकार परिशदेक येवकार या आम आदमी पार्टीचो जो आमी सदांच सांगताले विस्तार जायत चल्लो आसा ताजोच भाग तुमकां मुद्दाम हे प्रेस कॉन्फरन्साक आपयला। आमच्या पक्षान आज खास एक अतिथी जॉइन जाता जो समाज क्षेत्रांत केपें तालुक्यात मोठे तरेन वावर केल्लो आसा। केपें कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी नामणेचें काम ताणें केल्लें आसा आनी म्हाका खोस जाता सांगपाक की आमच्या बरोबर जॉइन जाता आमच्या पक्षान माजी केपें म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिलचे चेअरपर्सन तशेंच काउन्सिलर बाब राहुल पेरेरा तांचे आज पक्षान स्वागत आसा। ताणें बऱ्यापैकी काम केल्लें आसा केपें म्युनिसिपल काउन्सिलान आनी 1986 ते काउन्सिलर आशिल्ले आनी ताजे उपरांत 2018 ते चेअरपर्सन सुद्दां आशिल्ले। तो चेअर सुद्दां ताणें घेतिल्ले आसा मोठें काम केल्लें आसा केपें तालुक्यांत। तशेंच म्हज्या वांगडा आसा आमचे केपेंचे फुडारी बाय पेट्रिशिया फेर्नांडीस आनी हिलारियो फेर्नांडीस ते सुद्दां आमच्या पक्षान प्रवेश करता बाब राहुला बरोबर। तेन्ना आमचो पार्टीचो जो विस्तार आसा जे आमी आंदोलन सुरू केलें 20 पासून विविध क्षेत्रांत लोकांनी जो इश्यू आशिल्ले लोकांचे ते आमी इश्यू घेवन फुडें गेल्ले आसा। पेडणे ते काणकोण प्रत्येक आमी सांगले तुमकां नोंदणी केली। ओवर 2 लाख पीपल हॅव रजिस्टर्ड फॉर द वीज आंदोलन जो आमी विजा खातीर उलो मारिल्लो जो सरकार लोकांक नाडटा सारको आनी लोकांक खंय तरी आमी दिला की बाबा आमी तुमकां हक्काची वीज फुकट दिता हक्काचे तुमचे पयशे तुमकां परत पावयतले तो उलो मारून आमकां खुबशे लोक आतां जोडपाक लागल्या। तांच्या पक्षान स्वागत आसा आनी फाटीं सांगिल्लें अशें बाकीचे जे बीजेपीन आसा किंवा खंयच्याय पक्षान आसूं जे गोंय वाचोवपाक आनी गोंयकारांक बरी सुविधा दिवपाक जाय तांकां दिसता वावर करचे गोंयकार खातीर तांचे पक्षान नक्कीच आमी स्वागत करतले आनी ताका परत उलो मारता की आम आदमी पक्षान सामील व्या। हांव आज अधिकृतरित्या बाब राहुलचे पक्षान स्वागत करता। आमचे स्टाफ घालून राहुल बाब तुझे पक्षान स्वागत आसा आनी मोठो कामाचो लोकांचो फुडें केपें कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी तशेंच बाब हिलारियो मोस्ट वेलकम टू आम आदमी पार्टी हे काम फुडें वतलो। फाटीं जे बहुजन समाजान आशिल्ले बाब उपेंद्र गांवकर हांणी हेच मंचार तुमकां एड्रेस केल्ले ते सुद्दां पक्षान सामील जाल्ले। फाल्यां अश्योच भंडारी समाज जो बहुजन समाज अश्यो मिटींग आतां सुरू जातल्यो आमच्यो। आतां मागता बाब राहुला कडेन की प्रेसाक एड्रेस करचे।
थँक यू व्हेरी मच। आमच्या अध्यक्षान सांगिल्ले त्या प्रमाणे I had an opportunity to be the youngest chairperson. At that time it was called the president of the council in the year 1986. From then onwards I have never looked back and I was never defeated in Kepen, my ward of the municipality. Till 2021 last election, just BJP could not throw me out. They have reserved my word. Earlier also it was reserved and I had put my own sister and we got thumping majority again and we won. And this time also they have reserved it to SC, scheduled caste, and scheduled caste is the only one house that is in my ward. So I have to keep away from the municipal politics. This is the gift that BJP has given us. We have done yeoman service to Kepen, and when I was the last chairperson, now this term, the past term, the project which could not have seen the day, the dawn of the day, that is Kepen Fish Market. I have done it. I have evacuated everybody, and then today that project of 9 crore rupees is nearing completion. That is the last work that I have carried out. A part of that, there was Golden Jubilee Fund, which was unutilized. That I had put another building in my ward itself, and which is under completion. These are the two projects I have completed just lately. Now I have left Congress. I feel that I have no place in Congress. I feel because certain decisions that were being taken now, that they never consider you as a potential person. They use and throw. Therefore, I said it is better that I should leave, and I have come to Aam Aadmi only because Aam Aadmi Party is a growing party, and I am 100% sure that people are going to respond faith in Aam Aadmi Party, and definitely Aam Aadmi Party could be the leading partner for the formation of the government coming election. If I am given a chance by Aam Aadmi Party to contest, I will not shy away from it. Or if anybody gets the ticket, I will say that that person gets selected to the seat of Kepen, defeating the BJP, because BJP doesn't want by the people of Kepen, neither the Congress, because BJP and the Congress are the part of the same coin. So therefore I feel I should embrace Aam Aadmi Party, and I will be a part and parcel to the working of Aam Aadmi Party and see that we do the best in Goa for the next election. Thank you.
Definitely, you're joining the party today will definitely give a boost to the Aam Aadmi in KPM, and I'm sure you can continue to carry on the good work. I would request Patricia, who had been leading the charge and continues to lead the charge in KPM, to say a few words on this occasion.
Today we are very happy, the KPM team is very happy that Rahul Pereira has joined the Aam Aadmi Party in KPM. And Rahul, we look forward to your playing an important role in Aam Aadmi Party KPM.